Hi, my name is Susan Frase and I am with Clear Scraps. We're here at the Expo and I'm going to show you a quick and easy project that we are going to do with our new Syndic Clear cards. Very easy. Show you a couple different techniques. Did you know that you can take Clear Scraps acrylic and actually run this through your embossing machine? I'm going to show you a quick, simple little demo here. You just take and you can put this into your embossing envelopes and then run it right through your Big Shot or your Cuttlebug machine, as we're doing here. Show you how easy this is to do. And as you can see, it's now embossed. I've got a couple pieces here that I've already put together to kind of help speed up the process to kind of show you. This is our part of our new Syndic Clear card. Like I said, very easy to put together. As I'm going to show you, we're just going to take all of our pieces. They come packaged like this. And so what you can do is now start building. They all come with these little binding rings here that you simply just fold and bend up to bind the acrylic together to help build this new clear card. So a very simple other techniques to do is I'm going to start building this card here. As you guys can see, we're just going to open this up. We're going to lay down our pieces of paper. We've also got our new embellishment line that we're going to use part of here. This is our Clearly accent line. And just to show you some quick techniques that you can do with the various different types of acrylic, did you know that you can use alcohol markers on these? Very quick and very easy. We're just going to highlight these in. As you can see, they love alcohol ink, and it dries very quickly on the acrylic. Take this, flip this over, and then we're just going to add another product to it because acrylic is so friendly to be able to add multiple layers of different mediums to. We're going to take and just put an outside edge all the way around this. As you can see, kind of on my example here. So now we can take this and just kind of start building the rest of our project here. Some other things that you can do with the acrylic is, as you know, like when we stamped this, it raised this part of the acrylic. And so an easy way to kind of add some different dimension to that is to take that acrylic piece where it's been raised and just take your Stays On ink, always Stays On ink, and just add a little bit of inking over the top of where that raised part is from the embossing. See how simple and easy that is to do? Look at that. Look at how wonderful that is. So then, just like we use that alcohol ink marker on the little light post here, we're also going to take and add it to the back of the hearts. Very quick and very easy to do. Just color in the back part with your alcohol markers. These are Mexby pens that we're using on the acrylic. Look at how easy and wonderful that is. See how that's building that together? We're going to color in the back part of this one. Just kind of adding a little bit of color and texture to it. And then watch what we're going to do now. Now we're going to take this project, as you can see, it's starting to build together here. We're going to take this project now and we're going to stamp here on the top. Because acrylic loves to be stamped, again, always with Stays On ink, we're going to take and we're going to cover our ink pad here and just stamp right here on the top of this, just to kind of, again, show you how easy it is to work with the acrylic. See how beautiful that is? So now we've got the stamping done, we've got the embossing done. What we can do next is then add even a little bit more dimension to this and go around the outer edge with, again, with our paint pens. And you can use Krylon pens, you can use alcohol markers, you name it, you can put it on the acrylic. The best part about the acrylic too is that it is very friendly to work with. If you make a mistake, you can wipe all of this back off with either Stays On cleaner or non-acetone fingernail polish remover. Another thing that we're going to do is we're going to add this part of this little project right here. Kind of put some of these out of the way. We're just going to add the glue to this here. Whenever you work with acrylic, you want to make sure that you always use a solvent-based adhesive. We're going to use either Zip Dry or Beacon 3-in-1 is really what we recommend. I'm going to open this little guy back up again. We're going to put this down. And then we basically just start building with the embellishments, just to kind of show you a little bit. So remember, you can take all of Clear Scrap's acrylic and you can take and you can stamp it, you can ink it, you can punch it, you can drill it. The other thing that these Send It Clear cards come with, they all come with a clear envelope. And yes, you can send those right through the mail. So very easy to do. We can add the same type of stamping to this envelope as well. Watch how beautiful this will be. So now we have a great little project here that you can complete in just a matter of minutes. As you can see how easy that was to do. And these are our new Send It Clear cards from Clear Scraps. You can find these in your local retail stores. But like I said, acrylic loves everything. It loves everything from inks, it loves alcohol inks, it loves to be glittered, so you can even take glitter. This is part of our word expressions, where you can take our large words and just stamp and ink on them, add glitter to it, run it through your embossing machine, and come out with some beautiful pieces of home decor. Thank you so much.